everyone. Hope you're all doing great. Wish you a very happy new year. We wish you a great health, wealth, and happiness in this new year. So please be safe and be healthy. Friends, today we are going to a short trip from Bangalore to Anantapur. We are going to a place called Gandikota. It's also called Indian Grand Canyon. Friends, if you are watching my videos for the first time, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and also please hit the bell icon for all the new updates in my videos. So this place is located near Jammalamadugu in district Kadapa. So let's go and have the beautiful places. What are all the things are there? We'll just go and explore it. The other surprising thing is today we have another YouTuber. She's also my best friend. Her YouTube channel name is Mamta's Recipes. She's here with us. We're all going together to see the beautiful places in Grand Canyon, Gandikota. Mamta.
Hi.
So we're all going as a family. So let's start the journey. I'll just show you the beautiful places along the road. So let's begin the journey. She is Mamta's daughter. Her name is Rania. Rania, just say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone.
I will share all the information how to reach this place, the history about this place, also what are the things to see near this place. So stay tuned till the end. If you are going from Bangalore to Gandikota, it will take 6 to 7 hours. There are two routes available. Route 1 is from Bangalore to Hebbal, Hebbal to Bagepalli, Bagepalli to Kadiri, Kadiri to Pulivendula. Then from there you will reach to Jammalamadugu and then you will reach the destination Gandikota. This will take 300 kilometers, but the road is not great. But if you want a good road, there is another route. Route 2 is from Bangalore to Hebbal, Hebbal to Bagepalli, Bagepalli to Anantapur. From there you will reach to Tadipatri, then you will reach the Gandikota. But this will take another 70 kilometers extra, but the road is too good with beautiful scenic views. As I told you, this place is also called Indian Grand Canyon. The history about this place is the Gandikota is a village on the right bank of the river Penna and 15 kilometers from the place Jammalamadugu in Kadapa district, Andhra Pradesh in India. Gandikota area was the first identified and made sand fort in 1123 by Kakatiya Raja nearby Bommanapalle village. It became the capital of Pemmasani Nayakas who ruled the fort and Gandikota region for more than 300 years. Pemmasani Ramalinga Nayak constructed the huge fort at Gandikota with 101 towers, replacing the previous sand fort constructed by Chalukya rulers. Various additions of Islamic architectures were made during the subsequent Muslim rulers. We started at 3 p.m. in the afternoon and reached there by 9 o'clock in the night with a few breaks, but the journey was too good with a lot of beautiful scenic places. You will get the hotels and tent houses provided by the AP Tourism, Harita Resorts. Also there are private agencies also. We got this tent house from the private agencies. Especially in the weekends the crowd will be more, but the weekdays you will see less crowd. So they will provide you the campfire also, you can see in the video. Even though it is the winter, but the weather is very good, you don't feel very chill. So this is the campfire they provide. They also provide the dinner for you and morning breakfast for you in the same package. This is the morning view. You can see we went on a weekend, so a lot of tent houses. This is placed next to the Penna river and just the bank of the Penna river. You can just have a look. Very beautiful in the morning time. Very scenic place also. This is the tent house. It will accommodate 2 to 3 people very comfortably. They provide the comforters and the pillows also. You can see the inside look. Hi friends, very good morning. We reached to Gandikota in the night, stayed in a tent houses in the night, and this is the early morning. We just came to Gandikota Fort. We'll just have a look of all these things, and this is a very beautiful place to see the morning sunrise view. So let's go and have a look. This is the entry of the Gandikota Fort. You can see it's very huge and beautiful. These are the huge doors in the entry. Just in the entry there is a Hanuman temple. Once you go inside, there is a place called Charminar. This is the Charminar you can see. This is called Jummah Masjid, but the entry inside the masjid is restricted. You can also see there is a Ranganath Nayakula temple also, and also I will show you the river valley. The beautiful pond next to the Jummah Masjid, it is looking so fresh and beautiful in the morning time. Here is our Indian Grand Canyon. Look at the amazing view in the sunrise time. part 1 is over and the part 2 is coming soon. Hope you like this video. For more such interesting videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.